Sayva, can I get some salt and pepper?
Whoa, that's awesome. And now you know what? You could put a little bit more pepper. Here's some more pepper. Wow, thank you. That's great. Because it's pretend. Wow. Okay, should I try your pizza now?
Sajjan, I'm gonna put mustard all over it.
Oh, and ketchup. Put ketchup. No?
It's sauce.
Oh, it's sauce? And now put the pizza in the oven. So you take this, like this, and you put it inside the oven. Be careful because ovens are hot. Sayva, watch out. That's okay. Yep. This oven said, okay, yeah, fine, put in that oven.